In this video, I am going to tell you how the CM Grocery application will work. So at the very first, you have to go to the Play Store, and on the Play Store you have to find on the CM Grocery, or you can find the link of the application into the description. So here how we are going to do. So after installing, then it will show uninstall and open button. So just simply click on the open, and now the application is in front of you. So once you open the application, then what you have to do, it will ask you for the location. By default, for seeing the demo, I will recommend you please select only Visakhapatnam location, because you will find the items only into the Visakhapatnam location. Now as you can see on the screen, here is the main screen of the application, where you can see the promotional banners, the top categories, and see all button also. The best sellers means whatever the items is selling more on your platform. And here the VIP membership, you can find this additional functionality, and there are plenty of banners which we can display for either it is for particular item or the category, we can manage from here. So here I will show you the category of the application. What you will see into the category, as you can see all the category whatever you will create from your admin panel, it will display here. And not only this, if you click on plus button, then you can see all the subcategory of this item. Like suppose grocery, in grocery what is the subcategory? Dry fruits, energy drinks, rice, oils, and like that. So everything you can find with the help of, with the very easy step. Okay, and this is some other information, like suppose you are taking the application with multiple languages. Okay, so change language means you can select any language and your application will automatically convert into that particular language. Here as you can see, आपकी स्थिति मतलब what is your location. Okay, so and not only this, here in menu also you can see like भाषा बदलो, संपर्क करें, हमारे बारे में जाने, गोपनीयता नीति. So all these information you can see. Okay, now again I will go to भाषा बदलो and I will convert into the English. Now here, now I will come to the main step of the application, as you can see. So first of all, for knowing more about the application and to add into the cart, so I have to log in into the application first. Okay, so here I will click on login, and there are two options, login and sign up. So if I am a new user, then I can click on the sign up, but if I am a already exist user, then I can click on the login. Now here it's asking for my mobile number and password, so let's try 9490036767, password 34567 and click on login. Now I am logging into the application. Okay, now what is the next I have to do? Suppose I would like to order thumbs up or ice cream. Okay, now I have to just simply click on add, and it will add into my cart. Here you can see at the top corner showing one item into my cart. And after that you can see the complete cart screen, where you can see the amount of the item and the slots when you would like to order this. The delivery charges means like suppose if you would like to give the tip to the delivery partner, you can see all the options you can select. And what is the major thing here? Coupons. So if you having the any coupon, then you can simply apply and the coupon will applied on the item if it is applicable. Okay, right now this coupon is not applicable for this item, so that's why it is saying that coupon code is not applicable. If there is any delivery charges, then you can see the delivery charges. And yes, of course, one additional functionality that is very advanced, here you can see the wallet. If you click on the wallet, then it will take the amount from the wallet, and rest of the amount you need to pay from the online payment gateway. Okay, from here you can manage the slot, like Friday, that is today, Saturday at what time you would like to order, Sunday at what time you would like to get this order. So like that you can manage, and you can manage next 7 days slot. After that I will click on proceed. It will ask you the delivery address, so I will add my delivery address, Visakhapatnam. Here I can give anything, Now select city, same I will go for the Visakhapatnam. Pin code, I will select the Visakhapatnam pin code. Location, Claremont Technology Private Limited. Mobile number, I can give mobile number 9490036767, and here office address, like it is office or others whatever. Now I click on save. Now I have two address. One is my Jaipur branch address, another is my Vizag office branch address. Now I will click on select, proceed. After click on proceed, I will select the available slot when I want the delivery. I will click on done, and simply I can select I would like to pay from the Google Pay, credit card, net banking or any account detail. Then I will click on this and it will open the payment gateway for the user. So user has to pay the amount, either anything they can use like card, UPI, wallet or anything. And suppose if I'm paying from the SBI, then it will ask for your information, but this is a demo application, so that's why it didn't ask me. Now after that it will go to the continue shopping and there is button track order. Now if you click on track order, then you can see all the details of the order along with the delivery address, delivery status, and when it has to deliver, what are the charges, what are the things, everything you can see along with the item quantity. So this is all about the process of the we can say items or placing the orders. Now there is three tab: completed, ongoing, cancel. After that I will show you a very important functionality of this application, where you can easily have a very easy navigation. At the bottom side you can see home, categories, favorite, my order, notification. Oh, if you click on the notification, then you can see all the notification. If you click on the orders, then you can see all the orders which is ongoing or completed or cancelled. And then if you click on favorite, then you can see all the favorite item over here. I will show you how you can see the item into the favorite. So first of all I will click on the detail of the item. Here I can see the detail of the item, and I can also see the more item which is recommended for me. Here I can see details and benefits also if it is available. And now I will add this item in my favorite. Here you can see at the bottom side the item. Okay, and if I would like to add this item into my cart, then there is button add to cart. Now back I will go on the favorite and click on the favorite. Now here it will show one item available in my favorite, and here all the options of this item I can see, like 1 kg, 2 kg, whatever. Okay, now categories. So here I can see all the categories, and not only this, I can also see the offers on each categories whatever is provided by admin. If I click on any category, then I can see all the subcategory of this main category, and if I click on any subcategory, then I can see all the items whatever exist into that particular subcategory. I can see each and everything with very neat and clean infrastructure. And not only this, I can see the items and every information with the offer price and with the MRP as well. So this is all about the mobile application, how you are going to get that, and how it will work for your grocery or your for any type of business which relates to this application functionality. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video, and if you are into the requirement for same type of application, please call on the given mobile number. Thank you so much.